Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Arsha Classes. Please subscribe, like and share. Today I'm going to start with direction test. First of all, I want to tell you what is directions. As you know, there are the four directions that we have, that is north, and opposite to north is south, and the right of the north is east and the left of north is west. Whenever we are going to do this type of questions, what we have to do? We have to put north always in front of us like this. In which direction we are showing? It doesn't mean that we are facing towards south and the west. If there is a paper and we are going to draw a direction, the north is always in front of us. Clear my point? In direction test, we have 5 different types of questions. The question can be a direction distance related. What is the distance between the initial point and the final point? And distance related to hypotenuse, and direction related, in which direction the person, and the change in direction. Suppose the person saying that north is becomes east and east becomes south, and the rotation related. So first of all, I'm going to start with the topic distance related. Suppose we have a person A. A person A is going to start in east direction for 4 kilometers. And after reaching a point B, he take left turn and walk for 3 kilometers. And then again, he takes a left turn and walk towards, that can be a C, and A point is here, to C. Now, in which direction from its starting point A is, and what is the distance between them? So as we can know, we can see the distance between A to B is 4 and A to C 3 and then to 4. The distance between this A and C is 3 kilometers. It is the basic question. As I want to tell you, no one is going to ask that type of easy question. The question will be little bit tough for the student of SSC, bank, CPO. Clear my point? Now, the most of the person who has not recognized, not able to do this type of question, because for finding the distance of hypotenuse, we need to know Pythagoras. What we need to know? We need to know Pythagoras theorem. Clear? Pythagoras. What is Pythagoras theorem? I'm going to tell you what is Pythagoras. Pythagoras is the theorem to find out the distance of hypotenuse. For an example, a person is standing here at point A, go to in each direction to point B for 4 kilometers, and then take left turn and walk for 3 kilometers and reach the point C. Then what is the distance between A and C? We have to find out this distance. To find out this distance, we have to know about the Pythagoras theorem. And what is the Pythagoras in? Pythagoras said AC square always equals to AB square plus BC square, yes, CB square. And what is the value of AB? 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. The value of AC square is 25. Whenever we are going to remove this 2, we are going to take under root of the another side. Then AC is equal to root 25, and the 25 is the root of the 5. So what is the distance between A and C? Is 5 kilometers. Clear my point? This is this question that will related to the hypotenuse. And again, in the same question, what will be the direction in this sense? In which direction the person is? The person is going to be, according to this map, north, east, south and west. The person was there. He walked for 4 kilometers, then 3 kilometers, and this. So what is the direction between? That is the northeast. He is in a northeast direction. If the direction is going to be changed, as I like to perform an example for this, this is north, west, east, and south. If the whole system is going to rotate by 135 degree, 135 degree, that means northwest, southwest, southeast, and northeast. The direction is going to be changed by 135 degree angle in anti-clockwise. Clear my point? So the east will known as northwest. So the new direction is like this. North was there, old initially. He rotated for 135 degree. The north become this, and the south, and the east, and the west. Then we have to do this question according to this diagram. If anybody going to tell you the direction has been changed by 135 degree anti-clockwise, that is the rotation. Rotation as what is rotation? Rotation only of two types, clockwise and anti-clockwise. If you are going towards this direction, that is clockwise, like our watch do. Our watch move in which direction? From north to east, that is clockwise. And if you are going to towards north, towards south from this hand, that is called anti-clockwise. That is clockwise, and that is anti-clockwise. Is it clear to all? Now, we are going to perform some questions. And our first question is, Ashok went 8 kilometers south and turned west. First, I have to draw a proper diagram to understand this question. So, this is north, south, east, and west. Ashok went 8 kilometers south. Suppose Ashok was standing here and he goes 8 kilometers towards south. This distance is marked as 8 kilometers. And turn west. West, that means he's going to turn towards his right. Clear my point? And walk for 3 kilometers. How much kilometer he walk? He walked for 3 kilometers. Then again he turned north and walked 5 kilometers. And in which direction north is there? So definitely he's going to turn to his right and walk for 5 kilometers. Clear? He took final turn to east and walked for 3 kilometers. Again, east is in his right and walk. Again, he met to this line. Again, 3 kilometers. Now, in which direction was also from the starting point? The starting point was there. And this direction is known as what? South. Clear? So the answer must be south. Is it clear to all? Now going towards the next question. From a point P, Sachin walked 20 meters towards south. First of all, as I'm going to draw a direction line. This is my direction line here. North, south, east, and west. Before doing any question, you have to draw these lines. If you are going to draw this line, that means there are the chances the question must be correct. Again, from a starting point P, this point is counted as P. Sachin walked 20 meters towards south, 20 meters towards south. This is the distance between 20 meters. And then he turned left and walked for 30 kilometers. Left, which direction is the left of the P? Is this direction. Walk for what? How many kilometers? Oh, sorry, meters. 30 meters. Go for 30 meters there. He turn left and walk 20 meters. Again, the left is this direction and walk for 20 meters here. He again turn left and walk 40 meters and reach point Q. 40 meters, that means that 30 meters should be completed like this, and again 10 kilometers more. The distance between this and this point is 40 kilometers, and this point is to Q. How far, in which direction the point P from the point Q? Again, remember one thing. He is asking for how far, in which direction is point P. Now, we are going to tell about the person who is in the reference of Q, not in the reference of P. In the reference of P, in the reference of Q, the P is standing in the direction of east at 10 meter far. That answer is 10 meter east. Clear? Now, going to the next question. Roy walked 2 kilometers to east, 2 kilometers to the east. Suppose Roy is standing here and 2 kilometers east direction he cover up, 2 kilometers. Then turn northwest and walk 3 kilometers. Now, the person is standing here. And what is northwest? Northwest is this direction. So from this point, northwest is in this direction, and walk for 3 kilometers. He is there. He turn south and walk for 5 kilometers. So that kilometer and walk for 5 kilometers. Clear my point? Then again, he turn west and walk 2 kilometers. With the direction, 2 kilometers in the west direction. He reached out there. Finally, he turned north and walked for 6 kilometers. 6 kilometers. Here, he reached out here. In which direction he is from the starting point? The starting point was there. So you can see that the direction in which he is going is northwest. Northwest direction over here. Clear? Next point. Next question. Vimal faces toward north, turning to his right. Vimal is standing here. Turning to his right, he walked 25 meters. He walked for 25 meters in this direction, that is east. He turns to his left and walk 30 meters. And the left should be in this direction, walk for 30 meters. Next, he moved 25 meters after turning his right. Again 25 meters. He then turns to his right again and walk 55 meters. Again, remember one thing, 30 must be this, and 30 plus 25 is known as 55 meters. He turns to right and move 40 meters. Suppose, sorry, I don't have a space here. The 40 meters is suppose like that. In which direction he is now from his starting point? So you can draw this graph completely like this. Now you can see that he is in which direction? East and south. The direction between east and south is known as southeast. The answer is D. Clear? Is it clear to all? Next question is, a person Q. A person Q. A Q person is standing here. Walk 20 meters toward west. 20 meters toward west. And took a left turn and walked 20 meters. And the left on the person who is standing facing toward west is towards south. 20 meters. He then took a left turn and walked 20 meters. Again, he take what? Which turn? Left turn, and goes to this. Again, it is in the same land because 20, 20 and 20 is going to be square. And again, he took a light turn and walked 20 meters. From here, he's going to take a right turn. The right turn should be this and walk for 20 meters, 20 and 20. That is overall 40-meter distance he covered from starting point and the end point. The answer is A, that is 40 meter. So today we have completed 5 to 6 questions, and I'm going to give lots of questions in the form of PDF with the YouTube video, and you can find those in the description. What we have to do now, we have to do some practice of direction test question. After doing around approximately, if you want to clear and you want to clear your funda and you want to clear a concept, you have to do more than 200 plus question of direction test of different types. Definitely, you are able to do all the question within 30 seconds. So, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and not forget to subscribe my channel. Is it all for you? Thank you all.